Hello, this is Jackie Murphy on 7/8/14, and today we are seeing a beginning of a flight. So look closer. This is once again American Airlines. Enjoy your flight to Jamaica, which is 3 hours and 9 minutes. We're not going yet, but we will. That guy over there seems really excited. So does Colin. This is our second airplane that we're going on by. Right now, I am in Philly. And look at that plane that says Spirit. That's taking off. It has a cool tail. There is a little delay, so you will have to wait. I have no idea minutes. Bye-bye, plane. Now the plane is almost gone.
Operation of the engine and flotation devices. Your seat cushion may be used as a flotation device. Remove the cushion, pull up, and
Here we go, off to Jamaica. It's a little bumpy right now. Here we go. Okay, here we are, taking off. In Philadelphia, live to Montego Bay in 3 hours and 9 minutes. It's a little bumpy. Okay, well, almost there. I mean, no, not almost there. Almost gonna fly. Here we go.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Captain speaking. We'd like to have our flight attendants prepare for departure at this time.
Okay, it's time to fly. Faster and faster. And faster and faster. And now's the time where we go really fast. Whoa. And we are flying. This is fun. Yep, and now we're this high up. Going up and up and up until we can go up no more. That's a really good We're almost up in the air. So, yeah. Now we're almost above, we're almost where we're supposed to be.